This video is meant as a companion to your first boat design video to show you how to actually build it. So anything you design that is made out of surfaces that can be curved in a certain way, can be made by bending real sheets of material that have been cut to a specific size to create that shape. There are ways to design things that are not buildable, and I'll go over those in class. But if you follow the instructions for something that can be buildable, this is how you build it. So when you've completed your object, and if you haven't done this yet, there's another video that can show you how to do this. Then you're going to export it so that it can go into a different 3D design program. So you're going to go to File, Export, and it's a step file. You have to scroll down extra far to find the .stp, .step file. Those are two interchangeable file types. And click on Export. Put this in my downloads right now. You can put it onto, I think the way that I'll have you guys give this file to me is via a discussion in the class, or it could be through an assignment later. But after you upload that file into either the discussion board in Schoology or on there, let me know so I can do the process for you. This is what the process looks like on my end. I don't think it's worth giving everyone this program right away because it costs so much money. And really we only have to do a very simple thing in it, so I can just do it for you. I'm going to go to File, Open, and my downloads, there's my boat practice file. And I'm going to import that. This is what the boat looks like in Rhino. The command is called unroll surface, which then just allows you to select an object and hit enter, and it creates a flat pattern of those sides. If I have time, I'll also delete your design and then just go to export in here, and we'll call this boat practice. I'll probably use your name though, unrolled, and then I'm going to put it in, then I'm going to say export to my downloads. And then this is what you have to do once you catch the file back from me. In Fusion, you will go to File, Open. You can't open it directly from clicking on the file. You have to go into Fusion first and click on Open from my computer. And here's Boat Practice Unrolled. There it is. Oops, wrong shortcut. And now what you have to do to make this on the laser cutter is to go to File. Sorry, not File. You're going to go to Create Sketch on the surface. Any one of them is fine. And then hit Create, Project, Include, Project, or just the shortcut P. And then we're going to project all of these shapes onto one sketch. Click OK and say Finish Sketch. Now if I were to turn off the bodies and leave on the sketch, you'll see this is what the laser cutter is going to see. The scale of this is very off, but I encourage you to just change that in on the laser cutter program. It's a little bit easier to see there. So we're going to right click on Sketch 1 and save as a DXF, and then you'll put that onto a flash drive. Now if you were to want to make this on the CNC router, there's a few more steps you'd need to do, and I will cover that in another video.